Hi, Lekitronics here and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the latest ArkOS for the R36 Ultra game console. In this upgrade, the joystick LEDs now automatically restore on boot. It also fixes the scraper issue, and the download speed has become relatively faster. The no sound issue I experienced has also been fixed. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Okay, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the ArkOS4Clone GitHub file. I'll provide the link in the description below. Look for the releases on the right side of the web page and click on the latest version. This version has some improvements. It now restores the last used LED color automatically on boot. Also, it already has over-the-air or OTA support for versions newer than 09232025. I'll show you the step-by-step procedure as described in this release. Let's get started. Now, if your device ArkOS4 clone version is lower, you need to do a fresh installation of the latest release. You can follow the step-by-step procedure in my previous video tutorial, which will be linked in the description. Just a heads up, this video is for updating ArkOS4Clone to newer versions via OTA upgrade. This procedure does not require backing up your SD card. It will not format your SD card, and your saved data will remain. Okay, first step. Download the firstboot.sh and update.tar files. Remove the SD card from your R36 Ultra console, then insert it into your computer. Second step. Copy the downloaded firstboot.sh and paste it to the boot directory of your SD card. Replace the old file. Third step. Copy the downloaded update.tar to the EasyROMs partition of your SD card. It is not necessary to back up the files on the SD card. Eject the SD card and insert it back into the console. Fourth step, power on the device and wait for the installation upgrade to finish. The device will automatically restart once the installation is complete. Remove the SD card and insert it into your computer. You can see that the EasyROMs partition size did not change after the OTA upgrade. Fifth step, open the boot directory and run the DTB selector app. Select Other by entering 11, then enter 2 for R36 Ultra. Choose your preferred language. Eject the SD card and insert it back into the console. Power on your device to complete the upgrade. If you've come this far and find my video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and support me by subscribing to my channel. You can check the installed version in the main menu. Now, in the old ArkOS4Clone version 11.07.2025, I experienced that the scraper was not working. Every time I clicked the scraper, it would just go black and immediately go back to the main screen. In this latest version, let's see if the scraper will work. First, set up the scrape details you want. Then input your screen scraper username and password. You can now start scraping. And this version is really an upgrade. The scraper is not just working, but I'm experiencing a relatively faster download speed. I timed how long it would take to download over 100 images, and it took only 20 minutes. That's about 5 images per minute, compared to the old version that took me 1 minute or more for one image scrape. Alright, let's now test the joystick LED to see if it's still working. Let's restart the device and see if it will now restore the last used LED color automatically. It works. But when I tried playing games, the speakers weren't working. Let's see if we can fix that. Go to the main menu and check the sound settings. I tried changing the audio card to sys default, then putting it back to default. Then the sound magically works. I tried it in games and in playing songs, and their sound now. The sound is choppy and PSP games are laggy. I'll try tweaking some settings in my next video to see if I can improve the PSP gaming experience on this device, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.